Continuing on our tour, we're going to take a look at the menu bar and ribbons. The menu bar is everything from where we left off in the green. So below that, down through about here, is our menu bar. And in our menu bar, it's a small space, but it is jam-packed with stuff. So Excel has some different ways of organizing all of that stuff so that we can access it easier. One of those ways is using these tabs up top, and each of these tabs opens up a ribbon. So for instance, if I click on this Home tab here, it's going to open up the Home ribbon, which is everything down below it. If I click on this opens the Insert ribbon, and so on and so forth. But because there's still a lot of stuff on this entire ribbon, another way that it's organized so that we can quickly find things that we're looking for, find those different buttons, is each ribbon is organized into groups. So these groups are separated out with these long vertical gray bars. So here and here and here, those are all separating out our groups. And then our group names can be found at the bottom in the center. So for instance, this area right in here, this would be on the Home ribbon in the Alignment group. This one would be the Home ribbon in the Number group. So as you're looking for things in Excel, this is a way to be able to look at a much smaller group of things and look within that group for the buttons you're looking for, rather than having to look across the entire ribbon. And then even though there is a ton of information here, there's even more, and it's all happening behind the scenes. So to access that, not all of the groups have this, but the ones that do have some more things behind the scenes, in the bottom right-hand corner, they'll have this little arrow. And when you click on this little arrow, it will launch a dialog box that has the additional information that did not fit on the ribbon. So if you're looking for things and you can't find it on the ribbon, it's probably tucked away in one of these dialog boxes. And now for a smaller but just as important to note area, let's move on to the formula bar.